Hello children, welcome to your moral science class. Okay, so this is your moral science book, Values for Life for first standard. Okay, shall we see what's there for today? So first lesson, Buffy says no. It's all about a personal safety and setting boundaries. Let us quickly see what have they given. Okay, yeah. Please take out page number 8. We will see. What is the first lesson? Buffy says no. There are so many values and skills that you learn from this lesson. We'll come to this later. Okay. First, it's a story time. I will read out a story for you. Okay. A herd of buffaloes was grazing peacefully by the river. A herd of buffaloes. There were not only one buffalo, there were so many buffaloes. They were gazing, they were eating grass peacefully, very happily by the river. On the river side, they were eating grass. Buffy, the young calf, walked quickly from one grassy spot to another. See, this is the baby calf. Okay, this baby buffalo calf was running from one place to another because he wanted to eat the fresh grass. He wanted to get the best grass first. He wants to eat more. When he looks at the grass, he's very happy. He wants to eat all the grass before his mother or father or his relatives eat. He wants to eat up all the grass. You also do the same things, right? When the daddy or mommy brings chocolates, before your brother or sister see, you want to open it and eat. The same way. As he ran around happily, he came near a large bush. He was running here and there and he came near a large bush where there was too much of grass. A tiger was hiding behind the bush. See, here is a tiger. He was hiding behind the bush. He was behind the bush. What do you see? What do you do if you see a tiger? If you see a tiger, what will you do, children? You will scream. You get scared. Correct it. See what that tiger is telling. He's telling, come closer. I have a secret to tell you. He's telling, come closer. I will tell you something. I have something nice to tell you. Because no, tigers eat up all the other animals. They are wild animals. The tiger wanted to eat this baby buffalo. So he's calling, come, I will give you something. I have some secret to tell you. Okay. When the tiger saw the calf was alone and the rest of the herd was far away, the tiger saw that this baby calf was alone and all the mother of the baby calf, all the father and everyone, the elders are very far away from the baby. So the tiger thought, it is a very nice idea. I will eat this baby calf. But how? I will take him somewhere else and eat. He called out to Buffy, Psst, dear fellow, come closer. I have a secret to tell you. He's telling, hey, come here. I have some secret to tell you. Okay. So Buffy moved just a little closer and asked. Buffy also moved near to the tiger and asked, what is the secret? What is it? The tiger said softly, there is a patch of sweet grass a little further away. The tiger said, this grass is not sweet, child. You have another grass which is very sweet, a little far away from here. I can take you there. And the tiger said, I will take you there. The grass is very sweet. Come, you can eat it all by yourself. You don't tell to your parents or your brothers and sisters. Come with me so that you can eat all the grass. It's the greenest and sweetest grass ever. And the tiger is telling, it is very sweet and very green. You will like it. Come with me. I will take you there. Buffy thought over it. Even though he was young, he was not foolish. Look how clever that Buffy is. The Buffy came to know that tiger is doing something wrong to him. He's trying to harm the small buffalo. So he thought, okay, this tiger is doing something very bad to me. He is trying to do some harm to me. He will eat me up. He knew. So he was thinking for some time. Okay. Now what happened next? Yeah. There's a patch of sweet grass a little far away. See how he's telling softly. He's telling to the baby buffalo. I would like to come with you, but I will have to ask my parents for permission first. This is a very good manners, right? The baby buffalo is telling, oh, okay, tiger, I will come with you, but first I will ask my parents permission. This is a very good manners, children. You should all learn this. Before you go out somewhere to play or anywhere, please inform your parents or take their permission first. Okay? Don't be a fool, said the tiger. The tiger said, hey, what's wrong with you? I will take you. Why you have to inform your parents? If you ask for permission, they will also want to eat the grass. And the tiger is telling, if you go and ask the permission, they will also come and eat up all the grass. You will not have anything to eat. Then you will have very little left for yourself. He's telling you will have nothing to eat. So don't tell them, come with me, I will take. Buffy thought for a moment and said, no, I do not wish to come with you all by myself. Then the Buffy said, the small baby calf said, I will not come with you. I will always inform my parents and then only I will come with you. And without permission from my parents, you will have to excuse me. He turned around and walked back to his family. Good. See how nicely he ignored the tiger and he went back. See how the tiger is saying, oh, this Buffy is too smart. He's having so much good manners. I can't heat him up because he's not coming with me. Okay. See, that is what is the good manners. What would you have gone by yourself with a stranger? What if somebody, some uncle or some auntie whom you don't know, whomever you don't know is called a stranger, children. If they come to you and ask, come with me, I will buy you chocolate. Come with me, I will buy an ice cream. Will you go? You should never go. You should always tell, no uncle, I will call my mummy, papa. I will ask them whether to come with you or not. And later I will come with you. You should just like that not go with them, children. They will take you and go to some other place. Okay, they will kidnap you. Never do that. Okay. Yes. So, what are the good things you have learned from this? What is the moral of this lesson? What are the values you have learned? Personal safety. Personal safety means you should know when you are got stuck in some difficulties, you should know what to do. Setting boundaries. You should not always mingle with strangers. Unless and until you are with your parents, always be with your parents. Okay? And obedience. What is that? You have to obey your parents. If they say, please don't go out and play, please don't go to that part from very far from your house, please don't go. And you should know who are the good people and bad people. Okay? And courage. You should always be very brave. You should help yourself. You should be more confident. Okay?